Hi, this is your Shekhar from SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. Friends, when we think a person or thing is someone or something else, when we confuse someone or something with a different person or thing, when we wrongly perceive someone or something is someone or something else, we have to use one structure. Look at this. Mistake for. If you want to express in simple present, we have to use mistake for. If you want to use in present perfect tense, you have to use have mistaken for. Have or has. Mistaken for. Have or has mistaken for. If you want to express in simple past tense, you have to use mistook for. If you want to express in past perfect tense, then had mistaken for. Right? Friends, if we go through some examples, we can understand this structure, how to use in our daily conversation. Let us see how it is. Just imagine you are here. It's a road, and here is somebody else. He is at some distance. He is not clearly visible to you. So you think that this is Ramesh, but he is not Ramesh. Actually, he is not Ramesh. He is somebody else, but you think that he is Ramesh. Then you can say, I mistook whom? This person. So I mistook him for what? Ramesh. I mistook him for Ramesh. I mistook him for Ramesh. Okay. So here we have used V2 form. So mistake is V1, mistook is V2, and you know that the V3 form is mistaken. So here you have used V2 form. Why? You want to express it in simple past tense. That's why you have used mistake. So mistook. So I mistook him for Ramesh. Let us see one more example. Just imagine it's 6 p.m. in the evening. It's getting dark. There is a rope on the floor. Just imagine it. There is a rope on the floor. You think that the rope is a snake. You confuse that, you wrongly perceive that this thing is a snake. Then you can say, I had mistaken the rope for a snake. Here you have used past perfect tense. Right? Had plus V3. So you had mistaken what? Rope for what? A snake. So then you can say I had mistaken the rope for a snake. Right? One more example. There are two brothers. They are twins. They are Rohan and Rahul. Rohan and Rahul. So this is Rohan and this is Rahul. They look alike. That's why generally we confuse. Then we can say, I always mistake Rohan for Rahul. The same way you can say, I always mistake Rahul for Rohan. Right? One more example for you. There are a mother and a daughter. This is mother and this is daughter. Right? When you call her daughter, you think that her mother is talking to you on the phone because their voices are alike. Then you can say, I always mistake her. I always mistake her for her mother on the phone. Right? You always mistake whom? This person, her daughter. You always mistake her daughter for her mother when you call them on the phone. Right? Friends, this is the last example. Just look at this. This is Rahul. This is Ramya. Rahul and Ramya. Actually, they are friends. They have some intimacy, they are very close, they are just friends. But the people feel that they are lovers. The people think that they are lovers. The people confuse that, the people wrongly perceive that they are lovers. Then you can say, the people mistook their friendship for love. They feel that they are lovers. So then you can say, actually they are friends, but they feel that they are lovers. Then you can say, the people mistook their friendship for love. Right? Friends, you can understand it, how to use this structure in our daily life. If you like the content, please give a like and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much, friends. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.